Did you know you can have a NIE in Spain without having the right to live in the country? This is one of the most common confusions in immigration procedures. Many people think that NIE, TIE, and legal residency mean the same thing, but they are actually completely different things. And not understanding this difference can lead to important mistakes in your immigration process in Spain. I'm Paula Lopez, an immigration lawyer at Balsys Group, and this is one of the topics that creates the most confusion among foreigners who arrive in Spain or start their regularization process. If you're thinking about living in Spain or you are already doing administrative procedures, this video will help you understand exactly what each of these concepts means. What is the NIE? Let's start with the most well-known concept. The NIE is the foreigner identification number. It is simply a personal number that identifies you with the Spanish administration. This number is used for many procedures. For example, opening a bank account, buying a property, signing a contract, paying taxes, or doing administrative procedures in Spain. But here is something very important that many people don't know. Having a NIE does not mean you have a residency in Spain. The NIE is only the identification number, not a permit to live in the country. In fact, many people have a NIE and do not live in Spain. What is the TIE? The TIE is the foreigner identity card. Unlike the NIE, the TIE is a physical card. This card proves that you have a residency or stay authorization in Spain. The TIE includes important information, such as your NIE, the type of authorization you have, the expiration date of your permit. So the TIE is not the permit itself, but the document that proves that permit. What is legal residency in Spain? Now the most important concept is legal residency. Legal residency means that you have an authorization from the Spanish administration to live in Spain for a certain period of time. There are different types of residency permits, for example, residency and work permit, non-lucrative residency, digital nomad permit, residency as a family member of an EU citizen. When your residency authorization is approved, you will usually receive a TIE, which is the card that proves this permit. So it is important to understand that the NIE is only a number. The TIE is the card, and residency is the legal permit to live in Spain. How NIE, TIE, and residency are connected? To understand it in a simple way, a person can have a NIE without having residency. For example, someone who buys a property in Spain may obtain a NIE only to complete administrative procedures. But if you get a residency authorization, you will normally receive a TIE, which is the card that proves that permit. Even though these concepts are related, they do not mean the same thing. Understanding the difference between NIE, TIE, and residency is essential too. Plan your immigration process correctly, avoid mistakes in your procedures, and understand exactly what your legal situation in Spain is. Many important immigration decisions depend on having this clear from the very beginning. If you are thinking about moving to Spain or you have already started your immigration process, it is essential to understand these concepts clearly. At Balsys Group, we help foreigners manage their entire immigration process in Spain, from the first visa to residency and nationality. If you would like a personal evaluation of your case, you can contact us at info@balsysgroup.com. Subscribe for more practical content about visas, residency, and Spanish nationality. See you in the next video!